Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech M220. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. Firstly, take a look at the mouse. As you can see, the mouse does not have any USB port, so you can't connect it with cable. Also, it does not support Bluetooth. The only way to connect it is via this 2.4G adapter. To connect it, connect the adapter to your PC. And it's done. The mouse is now working. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.